Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an Instagram direct video call, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Instagram direct video call notifications right from your phone's settings. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control how your apps communicate with you, including notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. In this section, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. This will open up the app-specific settings. Once you're inside the Instagram app settings, look for the notifications option and tap on it. Here, you manage all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Now, find and tap on notification categories. This is where you can customize which specific alerts you want to receive from Instagram. Look for the option labeled Instagram Direct Video Call. This might be listed under Calls or Direct Messages depending on your phone's interface. To enable notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Instagram Direct Video Call so it turns on. That's it. You've now enabled video call notifications for Instagram Direct. From now on, whenever someone tries to video call you through Instagram, you'll get an instant notification on your device. If you ever want to double-check or adjust these settings, just repeat these steps. Keeping these notifications on ensures you stay connected and never miss an important call from friends, family, or colleagues. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand with their Instagram notifications. Stay connected and enjoy your video calls.